associates. Someone on the phone now, by the look of it. It's probably this, this Arab saying he wants to come at 4, so, I mean, I'll just have a word with him.
Right, and I've got to get those files to our basing field office by 4.
Yes, well, they just managed to take it in. I mean, we'll only just spit it up. I mean,
Right then.
yeah, we won't bother to hold the champagne.
All these do
Oh, no, only a handful, really. Study, kitchen, and a self-contained service flat.
Right, so which one's that?
What?
Here.
The usual offices right through here.
Now what's the names again?
I'm sorry. Thought there was no one here.
I'm not here. I don't know where I am.
I'm from the agents.
Lost the phone now.
Why else Squire Hackman and Dudley?
I've lost the phone before.
I don't remember the name.
I'll just put it here, look, if anyone wants it.
Oh, right. Thanks. No, I just dropped in to go into a few things. Well, check some of the measurements. Do one or two more jobs. Oh, and a client. I'm showing a prospective tenant there with the house.
What's wrong with this door?
She's thinking of renting it. Her interest is definitely aroused.
That's not the bedroom.
Oh, the bedroom, no. That's the downstairs bathroom, Bay Safe Suite, and this is the house.
What's the easiest on the
She's not really here. Don't worry about us.
I'll go standing on them now.
We'll just inspect the house.
I better get the floor washed.
Sorry about this.
That's all right. We don't want the television now, do we?
Television? Oh, that's right, television, though, because, she didn't explain about wanting to watch this royal, because obviously there's been this thing with the... I mean, I'm just, in case anyone's looking at all this and thinking, my God.
Right, and I've got to get those files to our basing shop office by 4.
Sorry, I just thought we had to get that straight, yeah.
We'll take it up with us.
Hold on.
And don't